Hey, good morning, everyone. This is Curtis Fillers, and I want to do another video today. And today is Saturday, December the 14th, 2019. And I'd like to thank you guys for checking out this video and tuning into my YouTube channel. If you've never seen my videos before, it's mainly about affiliate marketing, making money online, working from home, that niche right there, lead generation. Um, I show you how to get leads for actually any business you're in, especially network marketers, affiliate marketing. Some things along that line right there is what I kind of like the most. I used to get into network marketing myself and just kind of got out of that category. It's too difficult to get other people to do what you're doing. Um, all the time. You can get a few people and they just start falling off. So that's why I kind of made my move to affiliate marketing and really, really, really enjoy it. Um, the video day is going to be about the one I've done the last couple of days is a crazy crypto club and how do you earn money from this program. So first of all, again, my name's Curtis and this is me right here on Facebook. So if you'd like to send me a message, if you're more interested in this, if you got any questions, want to be friends, you want to just follow me, be more than happy to add you and communicate with you. The other thing, let me show you. Well, let me show you the program first. It's Crazy Crypto Club. It's a it's a cycling of a matrix. It's an advertising site. You get to come in here and you get to add 5 websites and 5 banners to any websites that you're in the back office. You get more credits for whatever the different programs you can get in, but I highly recommend when you first come in, what you want to do when you come into your account, you can come in for free and check this out. Come in for free, and then you go over here to first off, you're going to want to add to your balance here, fund your account. But you can go over here to matrix positions. You can actually do this from here and hit buy positions. I'm going to show you this first. You can actually fund and buy from the same spot. Right here is where I would say begin. The beginners club, $1. And if you've actually got it, I would highly recommend one of the 2x3 matrices. You can get 5 of all of these, but I'd say start out with one. If you're not familiar with this, start out with one. And I would get one of those, one of those, and one of those. But if you're tight on money, I'd get the PF Beginners Club. It's Personally Forced Beginners Club, $1. I'd start right there. But I'll tell you what, I'm going to go ahead and put it out there. If you join this for free, contact me and say, hey, would you fund my beginners club slot for me? I will. I'll add that. I can go right here in the back office. Once you get in, you create a username, and then I'll hit transfer money, and then I will select where I want to get the money from, and then I'll put the amount, which would be $1 more than likely. I'll put your username. I will see your username in the back office, but you got to contact me and through Facebook or through the YouTube video below here. And I'll write in a memo. I'm just sending this to you as a gift, and then hit transfer, and automatically it will come to you. And then what you will do is then go to buy position right here, and then you'll just work your way down. The first ones here are the 2x3 matrices. Those are those $5 ones right there. And then work your way down to right here at the bottom, toward the bottom, Beginners Club and PF Beginners Club. Either one of those is fine. Seems like the PF Beginners Club is really going quick for me, so I would say get in that one first. And you'll take that dollar I sent you, just put one, if it has a one position, and you'll hit select, and then your main balance will be that $1, and then you'll hit buy now, and then you're in there. And then what you do is you just go watch what happens. What you want to do is share this information. You want to share it with people. You would share it just like if you went somewhere and saw a good movie or ate a good dinner somewhere. You would tell people where you did that at. Um, so if you haven't got anything to tell yet and you're just beginning, tell my story, tell my sponsor's story, which I'm getting ready to show you in just a second. Um, but what you're going to do once you get in and get that one position, go back to matrix and then go look at your position under my positions. Now here's one of mine. I've got one board under the 2x3 right here. I get all these filled over here to 14s. I get paid for that. I got also, I'm in the VIP club. I got one board. Here's the exciting part. I got one more person to fall under there and I get paid. I put one time $20 here. When that right there, that 5 becomes a 6, I just made $50. Okay, that could happen today. All right, I'm in the beginners club. $1 it cost. 14. When that 2 gets to be a 14, I'm in there. It's you get paid whatever you put in 2.5 times that is what the payout is. All right. Here's the personally forced beginners club. This one's good. Well, this one's really rolling here. These 14s, these are 8, 2s, and 5s out this side and the different level I'm on. See out here, you can just click on the genealogy and it shows you who's under you. And I'll tell you, people, I have no clue other than one person on here who they are. What happens is you can get and you will get spillover from the people above you. Your sponsor and people above you, they've got to find spaces for these people that come in. So that could fall even under you. I'm getting spillover all the time. Don't count on spillover, but spillover does work. And just now, a little while ago, I got in the $100 club. One time, $100. You can get 5 of these at one time. You can buy 5 positions. I just bought one. Of course, that was 15 minutes ago, and there's nothing there yet. But what I want to show you is my sponsor did this last night. I woke up this morning and saw this. He had a $100 company forced matrix, the one I just showed you, and he just finished it right there. That's it right there. He just made $250 off his $100 investment on a cycle bonus. That's how great this is. All of these are paid 2.5 times of what you put in there. Like I said, you get your advertising places in here too to advertise whatever business you're in. Like right here is my websites. I've got 5 in here right now. And you just load them in right here and they show up when people go to click their ads. Like right here, let's do a mini ad. Somebody wants to view a mini ad. Somebody will see mine as they're watching this. And then they're interested in it, they can click right here where it says open site in a new window. And then what you do, watch it. You just find the one over here. It looks exactly the same. Click it. And you've watched, you got a credit for that. You watch a regularly full ad, you get 2 credits for it. That's 15 seconds long. And the mini ads are right at 10 seconds long. And great platform. I'm really, really excited about this one. Like I said, I'm watching my sponsor. He's just blowing it up. He is really blowing it up. He got in, of course, before me. I'm not sure how long he had been in before me. I've been in probably a couple of weeks now, and I wished I would have got in sooner. I really do. I tried getting in for like 2 days and couldn't get in. I thought something was wrong with the website, and come to find out, I had to clear my cookies on the computer out, and I got right in. So I wasted 2 damn days of not being able to get in, but it's my own fault. So I think that's all I've got on this video. Let me think if I can think of anything else. This was going to be really of how you can earn, how you make money with this system. But I know I went off track a little bit on it's an advertising site. You advertise your businesses here, but that's how you also make the money. You make 25% also on the direct referral. So my sponsor is making 25% off of everything I do. So today, 15 minutes ago, when I bought the $100 one, which I don't know how long it's going to take me to get 250 from it. When I bought the $100 one, he got $25 because he's my sponsor. So somebody comes in and buys under me, I'll get $25. So see how that works? And the same with the $5 ones, the dollar ones. With the dollar ones, okay, you make $1.25, just like that. They're smaller numbers, but you can actually, when I give you, if you come in here under me and you ask me for the dollar and I give it to you, you're still at that point free. But you'll take your dollar, get your position, and you can actually do this whole business and never put a dollar in it because you got the dollar from me. You get the dollar, you do your beginner's matrix, you'll make 5 from that. So much goes back. I think you'll end up getting 4 back and repurchase. It's in the back office here. The repurchase goes toward the repurchase. And you can take that money, you do that twice. You do 2 beginners clubs twice, and that'll give you the money to get into the 2x3 matrix. Yeah, it'll give you to do 2 beginners club dollar ones. You'll get enough money to go into the 2x3 matrix without spending any of your money. You've just made that money. And then you do those a few times, you get your for 20, you just work your way up. But what I think should happen is after you get that dollar I give you and you do this, you see it works, take your own money at that point on top of the money you make from this and add and start getting a few of these going at the same time. I got the 2x3, the VIP, all at the same time. I got 5 positions in the matrix, the 2x3 matrix, and I got one of the 20. And then now I'm in, I think I'm in every one of these actually now. So that's how I did it. I just started off with those 2, but just start off with that one. Get in here and you ain't got the dollar, contact me. I'll put you in here. And we have the Facebook group. That's right here where I will add you. It's actually in the back office. When you join, it'll be a link there that will take you here and request. But this is a great Facebook group right here. You see on the screen, that's the owner. He's in here every day, almost every hour. He answers questions. He gets involved. He does webinars on Tuesdays and Wednesday nights. Great place to be, guys. I love this. I love this business. I'm real excited about it. So if you're interested, there will be a link below. When you click it, it'll ask for your name and email address because I collect names and emails. And then it'll take you to the website and just go ahead and join for free. Drop $1, $5, whatever you want in there and get started. Got any questions, ask me. If you need me to fund you, let me know. I'll get you taken care of and we can work this business together. So that being said, guys, I'd really appreciate it if you like this video, if you'd give me a thumbs up. And if you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down. I know some people just don't like my videos, so if you don't like it, you can give me a thumbs down. And if you would, I'd appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. And that's about it. I hope you guys have a great Saturday. Wherever you're at in the world, it may be Sunday. This does go for any country. Anywhere in the world can do this business. Doesn't matter what country you're in. That being said, guys, I'm out of here. You guys have a great day, and thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.